In Archer Aviation's aeronautical adventures, it recently filed a patent infringement lawsuit against Vertical Aerospace in the U.S. District Court for the Eastern District of Texas, alleging that Vertical's Valo eVTOL aircraft infringes multiple patents related to Archer's Midnight aircraft. The lawsuit seeks both injunctive relief to halt ongoing infringement and monetary damages, highlighting the importance of intellectual property in a sector where aircraft design, propulsion architecture, and flight control systems are critical competitive differentiators, especially as Archer is simultaneously defending itself against trade secret misappropriation claims from Joby, which we covered in videos about Archer and Joby at the end of January. In more uplifting readings from the Financial Gauge, Archer ended 2025 with approximately $2 billion in cash, cash equivalents, and short-term investments, giving Archer substantial flexibility to fund operations and R&D. Revenue for the fourth quarter was $300,000, with an EPS loss of 26 cents, slightly below expectations. Yet Archer aficionados stay on board, since this is the first eVTOL manufacturer to achieve means of compliance, a critical certification milestone defining how its Midnight aircraft will demonstrate airworthiness. This achievement paves the way for remaining certification plan approvals and type inspection authorization activities, positioning the Midnight aircraft for potential commercial service. Archer is on track to launch piloted vertical takeoff and landing operations under the White House's eVTOL Integration Pilot Program in the U.S., as well as its UAE commercial program, targeting first passenger-carrying flights in 2026. Archer is also developing a major urban air taxi network in South Florida, connecting Miami, Fort Lauderdale, Boca Raton, and West Palm Beach, with partnerships for vertiport development with Related Ross, Hard Rock Stadium, Apogee Golf Club, and Dragon Global's Magic City Innovation District. On the international stage, Serbia selected Archer as its preferred electric air taxi partner for Expo 2027 in Belgrade, with an option to purchase up to 25 Midnight aircraft. Archer has also engaged with Saudi Arabia's General Authority of Civil Aviation to develop a regulatory framework for eVTOL operations, with potential proof-of-concept flights in Riyadh and Jeddah, complementing its partnership with the helicopter company to explore operational deployment with Red Sea Global. Back in the U.S., Archer holds exclusive positioning in Huntington Beach, California, as part of its applications to the FAA's eVTOL Integration Pilot Program, reflecting strong regulatory alignment and market access. For infrastructure and tech advancement, the acquisition of the master lease and subleases for Hawthorne Airport, California, provides an operational hub near LAX for both Los Angeles air taxi services and testing of AI air traffic and ground operations systems. At the same time, collaboration with NVIDIA integrates the IGX Thor safety-capable AI computing platform to enhance real-time flight safety, airspace integration, and fleet operations, while the partnership with Karam Aircraft supports development of a hybrid propulsion, autonomous dual-use VTOL platform for both commercial and military applications. Combined with acquisitions of intellectual property from Overair and Lilium, as well as a powertrain supply deal with Anduril and Edge Group for the Oman autonomous air vehicle, Archer gains extra competitive altitude in civil and defense markets, especially as it intends to stay on the cutting edge with a new hub in southwest England, supporting collaborations with Anduril UK and GKN Aerospace on British Army programs, showing just how much more speed an eVTOL company can pick up for commercial takeoff by opening up to civilian and military markets, similar to some of the other stocks we've covered over the past week, which you can keep an eye on with TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.